In this video, I will show you how to schedule tasks for individual session hosts. This is a feature that's available in Nerdio Manager for Enterprise version 4.2 and newer. And previously, it was only possible to schedule operations, for example, re-image, resize, restart, log off, at a host pool level inside of Nerdio Manager. So for example, if I wanted to re-image an entire host pool, I could go to my host pools view, go down to my session, to my hosts menu, select, for instance, re-image, set the settings I want to use, and then create a schedule and save that schedule to apply to the host pool, which would then propagate down to all of the VMs inside of that host pool. What's now possible is to actually go into the host pool itself and select individual VMs to have scheduled tasks. So for example, if I wanted to re-image one specific VM, I can click on this dropdown, select resize re-image, select the image I want to apply, turn on my schedule, and save and close that configuration. And what this will do is it will add the schedule to an individual host. I can also schedule a particular host to restart. So for instance, if I click on restart, I can either run this operation now, or I can say, go ahead and schedule it for 1 a.m. the following morning, run it only once, so do not repeat it. And this can help me recover or remediate or fix a problem that I know is happening on this host. A reboot will fix it, but then maybe there are active users there now. So I want to schedule a reboot, but not of the entire host pool, just an individual host, which is now possible with the scheduling capability at the host pool level. And really, all of these options can be scheduled. I can schedule the ability to run scripted actions. I can schedule logging off of users. I can schedule placing a host into drain mode, etc. So really, anything that could be done at the host pool level can now be done at an individual host level as well. Hope you found this useful, and I will see you in future videos.